The mastermind of the 26/11 attacks is today officially a free man.
Indian media, living up to its reputation, is once again reporting a fake news that Hafiz Saeed has been set free. Since Mumbai attacks happened in November 2008, India has been blaming Pakistan and its premier intelligence agency, which India thought was responsible for the attacks. On the other hand, a renowned U.S. academic and political commentator, Dr. Kevin Barrett, while giving an interview to Press TV, said that Mumbai attacks were a false flag operation by the Indian government in collaboration with United States government. Another American author, Elias Davidson, has also written an 800-page book proving beyond doubt that Mumbai attacks were in fact a false flag operation by the Indian government against its own citizens. Mumbai attacks were not the only false flag operation that India has done. Whenever elections are nearing, or whenever Indian government is under public pressure for domestic issues, these attacks miraculously happen. Be it Kashmir or Pathankot, these attacks always rescue the Indian government from trouble. Given the history of Indian false flag operations, Mumbai attacks were not conducted by Pakistan. They were beyond doubt an